I and a lot of others in the meeting are very keen to know about your mission to spread financial literacy to 50 lakh Indians that you have started. Please tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, thanks, Shreya, asking this question in the beginning itself. Very close to my heart. This mission is. Reason being very simple. Most of the mission we find when people are working on, either it is on for orphanage, for vridhashram, or other things. But there is something which actually people tend to ignore in a big way, and I think this is the time to look into it, because it is hard earned money, people's hard earned money, which should be nurtured in a way that it should come handy for them in the sunset years. And typically, people have been ignoring it for a very long time, and for the reason behind that is उसकी जरूरत शायद लोगों को महसूस नहीं हुई पहले. But I think this is my way of giving back to the society, that when I realized that in the last 25 years or so, the spending pattern of the country has changed drastically, right? I mean, the way you spend and the way Nitaji used to spend in your days is entirely different. And so, for example, when people say, अच्छा तो मुझे क्यों करने की जरूरत है? My father never did this financial planning or anything of this sort. Reason being, the spending pattern has changed, but the saving pattern more or less has remained the same. People are still following the old path. However, I keep talking about one thing, which is lifestyle inflation, right? And it is continuously making big dent in our pocket, and which we do not realize. And to beat that lifestyle inflation, we need to start investing as early as possible, and that's where I think it is very very important that people should be made literate. Reason being, हमारे textbook में there is no lesson. We don't learn these lessons in our classrooms, and these are very commonsensical in nature. And if I can able to share these ideas to 50 lakh people, I think मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि मैं आराम से इस संसार से जा सकता हूँ. और दूसरी चीज ये है कि why they it's important to know about it, financial literacy, because the retirement years जो है वो बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So working years are coming down and the retirement years are going up thanks to medical advancement. And that's why people need to start as early as possible, so that they can have financial freedom as early as possible and will have a happy life. That's the idea of spreading financial literacy.
What was the first thing that got you inspired to write a book, write these books? Was it only, did it start just to spread financial literacy? What was the first step? How did it all come together?
Well, it triggered in 2008 January, uh, when when an IPO came and people were jumping on each other to invest.
Mm.
Okay, and as I told you, when the unlike normal life, when the stock market goes up, everybody wants to jump in, right? And that was the time in year 2008 January when it was at its peak, and everybody and his cousin wanted to invest. And I have seen that people uh, they took loan to invest, okay, and they burned their fingers like anything. I mean, in my life, I have so far, I mean, till 2008, I had not seen this kind of crash. From I mean, market crashed 62% in 9 months period. So somebody who wanted to make quick money, uh, I mean, forcibly he became long-term investor,
Yes.
right? And that's where I thought it is high time. And best of the best guys who invested, I mean, there, if you see their educational qualification, you will say, Arey, how can he or she can make such a decision, right? But it's the greed and lack of literacy, financial literacy, lack of understanding of the market, uh, which in fact triggered, and it was there in my mind that I need to do something about it. And that's where the idea of simplifying the personal finance concept came in. We keep talking about Warren Buffett, we keep talking about Charlie Munger and Peter Lynch and whatnot. I mean, I'm sure you Sitting in Delhi, you cannot identify yourself with these people. Think about someone who is sitting in Varanasi or in Patna or in Jaunpur, Gazipur, how he or she can identify themselves with these guys. So that's why I thought I need to Indianize it. I need to de-jargonize all these lessons, and I need to spread the message so that people can do justice with their hard-earned money.
So in one of your lectures, I think I was hearing how you were talking about, financial lives can become better if we are more sensitive to our, own unique needs and we pay more attention to our environment. So what exactly do you mean by that?
Well, simple is difficult, right? So people love to, when it comes to investing, people love to complicate things first. Uh, and their behavior in normal life vis-a-vis investing life is entirely different. I mean, they behave contradictory. So, for example, I'll just give you one example. When you go to buy a vegetable, right, to vegetable market, what you do, you negotiate with the guy.
Yes.
If say potato is 40 rupees per kg, you will ask for भैया 35 का दे दो, भैया 34 का दे दो. हाँ, आप फ्रिज खरीदने जाते हो तो आप 1000 जगह दुकानों पे रिसर्च करते हो. You talk to 10 different friends, right? And you try to negotiate to bring down the price. But when it comes to investing, you will find maximum number of people coming in when the prices are high.
Very hard truth.
When the prices are high. Or many times I have come across that if I give you a simple product, you won't like it. I say, अच्छा ये तो सारे लोग खरीदते हैं, why should I buy it? Give me something which is very exclusive in nature, no matter whether you understand it or not. So more complicated the product I'll give you, you will get impressed by that. So what I say that rather than getting impressed by the product, look the simplicity of the product. And for that, a very important thing which everyone should keep in mind is identify your why. Okay, so identify your why, WHY. तो आमतौर पे हमारे लाइफ में 3 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, what, how and why, especially whilst investing. You just reverse the order. When you reverse the order, you will realize that if your why is clear, then only you will go for what to do. People answer their what first, and then if the answer goes, if the decision goes wrong, they try to justify the why. अरे उसने ऐसा बोला था ना, इसलिए मैंने ऐसा किया, है ना? ऐसा कितनी बार होता होगा? So, but if you identify your why first, that why I am doing it, it's very simple. It's like your journey. Investing is also like a journey. So you identify that why I'm going to hills, why I'm going to beaches, and then you decide कि मुझे और क्या-क्या चीजें करनी है. मुझे ट्रेन से जाना है कि मुझे प्लेन से जाना है, तो वो हाउ क्लियर हो गया. फिर मुझे कैसे कपड़े ले जाने हैं, बीच के लिए कैसे ले जाने हैं और हिल स्टेशन के लिए कैसे ले जाने. बट बिफोर ऑल दिस यू आइडेंटिफाई योर व्हाई. व्हाई का आंसर आने के बाद आप ये सारी चीजें करते हो. इन्वेस्टिंग में हम उल्टा कर देते हैं. So you keep it simple and your life would be much better and you will have less complications in life. So इसका एक सीधा आंसर अगर मैं दूं, identify your needs and wants. If you can differentiate between need and want. So for example, to sit in front of the camera, I need to wear a jacket. It's a need, right? But brand, whether it is Fab India or local, it's a want.
That's true.
Right? So identify your need and want, and your answers will be, you will get the answers.
Vinayak, a lot of youngsters today in the room. I mean, there are a lot of millennials. I mean, one of the very, very important questions which really came up in the forms was, I mean, they really wanted to know about habits for creating wealth and how to start investing early in their lives. I mean, this is very, very important for them. So a word coming from you, they'll really be happy.
Okay. Thank you so much for asking this question. Shubhasya Shighram. Or if somebody asks me, when should I start? I answer as of yesterday. reason is very simple. And now that I have taken this name, Warren Buffett, he started investing at the age of 11. Before this program which we started, I was talking about my 10-year-old guy, 10-year-old boy, how well aware of investing he is. So you need to start as early as possible. So somebody who even in say in his teens, okay, और आपको अगर 5,000 या 2,000 3,000 रुपए भी पॉकेट मनी मिलता है, if you can spare say 200 rupees, you can keep 200 rupees aside and start investing in say bank RD. I'm not asking you to start सीधा in systematic investment plan of mutual funds. I'm saying you start with 200 rupees of RD. It's all about inculcating habit of savings. That is the first step. And why I said that as of yesterday, so there is famous doha of Kabir, and हमने उसका बहुत मजाक बना दिया है बचपन में कि काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. So you need to start as early as possible. Reason is very simple. You all have learned this formula in the standard, I think 6th or 7th, power of compounding, right? And what plays biggest role in that, जब आपका मिश्र धन या compounding interest जो आता है, is the n, which is the number of years, right? The time, PV1 plus R raised to the power n. So if you want to see that exponential growth in your investment, you need to start early and you need to give time, maximum time to maximize your future value.